This is a Kawasaki H2 750. According to the VIN number, it's a 1971. This motorcycle's been stored for years in our basement. According to the VIN number tag, it says 10 of 71. H2F-00518. Engine number H2E00571. The carburetors are H2 stamped on each of the carburetors. The center carburetor is a vacuum carburetor because the pins break in them and they replace them. They have brass slides. All the carburetors. The pins inside are transparent that hold the slide guide.
Can we get that L and that H2?
There's a symbol on the side of the carburetor here that I don't think you can see. It looks like a Japanese symbol right there.
And then
my
the
fingernails
H2 is on this side.
Under it. The cover needs replaced on this side, has numbers. The bike has welds down the seam because it's the early models, the first 12 or 1400. On the other models by the shifter and the other side of the bike, it's one smooth plate.
All right.
Has a stock sprocket.
Here's this.
Everything stock on the bike, air box. One carburetor has been replaced with in the past with another vacuum carburetor. So there's two vacuum carburetors on the bike.
Okay, eBay's not going to let me shoot 10 minutes, so
all right,
hurry up.
Here we go. We got all these other parts. We got the extended brake rod, the extended brake bracket, and the other bracket for the brake hose with one thing on top. One hook. We've got all the other parts, broken tray, we got the stock books, we have the blue book manual, owner's manual. Here's a gas cap, tool tray, petcock, reflectors, tank,
side covers,
front fender, battery side cover, other side cover, and the seat and tail fin. It has a plastic headlight dome.
There you go.
We have the other cam that's extended for that. We have the brake rod that's extended over there on the cardboard that goes on this bike.
I think we might be able to hit that H2.
Yeah,
it says H2 right here.
The cover needs replaced on this one. We may have the other one.
Yeah.
A stock one.
Don't hold us to it. We have to look for it.
Yeah.
There's some scratches,
There's
you know.
It's a 71L steering dampener, I believe.
All right, run around this thing and shut her down.
All right. Everything works on it. The blinkers, the horn, the pipes.
There's a dent in that pipe.
Dents. Just all this bike has been done to is painted. It's a preservation, not a restoration. We have not restored or chromed anything on this bike. It's all stock.
Shut it down.
We got all the knobs, all the little hooks, brackets.
And it's all yours.
Tax, all yours, if the price is right.
Middle button.